Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if f of x equals to this, then it is like even function or odd function. You know that to judge a function whether it is even or odd, we need to talk to f of minus x. What is f of minus x? You have to replace x with minus x. So minus x upon e power minus x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. Now, look at this how I will manipulate. First, I will write down this thing as 1 by e power x. Okay, so it will look like minus x e power x upon 1 minus e power x minus x by 2 plus 1. Now, I cannot afford to have e power x on the numerator. Correct? So what I will do, I will add 1, I will subtract 1 from the numerator. Okay, but this 1 won't help. So what I will do, because I don't want any person to stay with e power x because it is alone. So I will add x, I will subtract x. Okay, now look at here. First part I will take x common, so it is 1 minus e power x, and then minus x upon 1 minus e power x minus x by 2 plus 1. Now I will write down this thing into two components. So first part will become 1 minus e power x upon 1 minus e power x minus x by 1 minus e power x. So this thing gone. है ना? This thing gone, we are left with x. So x minus x by 2 is x by 2. I want e power x to be first. So I will take minus common from the denominator and it will become this x by e power x minus 1 plus 1. And if you will observe, this is f of x only. Okay, so you find out that you got your f of x. So this is your f of x, which is f of minus x. This means f of minus x is equal to f of x. Hence, it is even function. I hope you understand the manipulation. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.